वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज हांव खोडपे कुल्ल्याचे दांग्याचे फ्राय करूंक दाखयता. दांग्यांक मांस खूब आसता, स्पेशली खोडप्यांक. सो ह्यो जावन आसा तेंचे दांगे. आणि पयलीं हांव इंग्लिशनी सांगता. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू the claws. These are the claws of the you can say river or rocky crabs, and they have meats lots in the claw. So I'm going to show you how to fry this. So you can apply your seasoning, but I will show you my seasoning. So these are many claws I have already removed, and now I will show you how to do that. So you have to just take anything stone and just hit here, and here is the claw meat. See, so full meat it is, and same way you do for this. सो ह्यो फोडून घेवपाच्यो आनी तेजे मांस काडपाचें, आनी तुमकां जाय तसलो मसालो लावन मागीर ताका भाजपाचें. व्हेरी सिंपल, इजी. थोडे डायरेक्ट कोडयेन घालता ह्या दांग्यांक, बट लायक म्हाज्या चेडवाक मांस जाय, तर ताका लागून हें बेस्ट ऑप्शन. ताका भुरग्यांक एकदम आवडटा. हे सगळें काडपाचें आनी आतां हांव तुका दाखयता मसालो लावपाक. सो नाव आय वील एप्लाय very a few masalas. I don't want to make it very spicy also, but if you want to make it spicy then it's okay. So I am adding little bit of turmeric powder, little bit of chili powder, and little bit of turmeric powder, and a little bit of salt. Very little, because otherwise it becomes salty. Then little bit of lime juice in this. Mix all this nicely so the seasoning goes to that. तर हांवें आमचो नॉर्मल हें घातला, हेका लायला मॅरिनेशनाक. तुमकां जाय पळय तें तुमी लावं येता. ओके. सो हांवें इल्लेशें थायम्स घातला, थायम्स, ड्राय थायम्स, ऑप्शनल. ओके. आनी आतां हांव पेपर मॅसो करता. So these are the optional pepper powder and all. So now the next is some breadcrumbs. So coat this with the breadcrumbs. Keep it aside and do for all, and then we have to fry. So breadcrumb, कोणाक breadcrumb नाका लावपाक रवा लायात. सो लायक दीस ओली सगळ्याक लावपाचें आनी आतां आमी तें भाजपाचें. So here all is done. Now I will fry with normal oil. You can use butter too if you want to, but I am using normal vegetable oil to fry. So oil, how much you need for frying? Shallow frying, not deep oil. So आता हांवें नॉर्मल तेल घेतला आणि वेजिटेबल ऑयल आणि आता हांव तें भाजता. सो तेल गरम जावनी एंड देन मिडियम करपाचें flame and भाजपाची. So medium flame and the oil has to be hot, and here it goes. See the meat in the claws. कितले मांस असता भितर हितून आनी ते खोडप्यांनीच मेवता. ब्लू क्रॅब्स आनी तितून बा मेवना धाकटे हितून. शिणाण्यो कशें दिसता न्हू. ऑल सी फूड टेस्ट असो तेंचो थोच आसता. खावपाकय बरें लागता. So this is like 1 kg of crabs, Khodpeo crabs, rocky crabs, claws. So we will turn, let it fry now, nicely crispy. So now we'll turn this. And serve it hot to your kids, to your family. So another 5 minutes it's done. Not even 5 minutes. It looks so yum, and I think so this portion is like for 2 people. And let's let this fry. Done. Now I will serve and enjoy it. Hope you will like this, and thank you so much for watching this. So it's Goan Khorpi Kulli's danyache masache fry. Thank you. Thank you so much, and I know that you all will enjoy because it's all meat, and that also crab, that is seafood meat. Thank you. Dev bare karo.